Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Matchbox vehicle, and we got the 69 BMW 2002. This is number 84 of 100 for 2021. This is from the MBX Showroom segment of 2021. And here's a look at the card. This is the version in black. GVX94 is the number. 2021 copyright, so it's one of the newer cases. The first color came in yellow from the MBX Road Trip series for 2019. Then they made a special golden 50th anniversary super fast one in 2019, representing 2020, of course. Then in 2020 they made a blue one you could get it from the Highway collection or the German collection. And the 2021 mainline one is this one. There was a green one in the Autobahn Express 5-pack, and then there's a super fast one coming out later. I think it may be out now, but I'm not sure. Another outside unboxing for you guys. Got the protector there. I love the protectors. 1969 BMW 2002. German car. My dad has a German car. It's running right in the background. It's a diesel Volkswagen. I like this casting though. This is a cool BMW 2002. And nice black color on this one. We've got the ring disc wheels. Hard to see them spinning, but they are spinning pretty well. Got the treads on it too. Detailed front. We got the BMW logo right there, and we got the headlights. It's a cool casting. And we got windshield wipers right there, and tan interior. You can see the inside very clearly on this one. And it's a two-door, but there's 5 seats. A bench seat in the back. Mirrors, we got mirrors on the Matchbox vehicles. There are mirrors. Here's the back, BMW 2002. And at first I thought it was a 2002 BMW, but 2002 is the model name. That's the name of it. It's a 1969 BMW. Got to see one of these in real life at a car show. It was pretty cool. And it's got a license plate that says the name on it right there. Very boxy car indeed. Very cool. And made in Thailand with 2018 copyright, plastic base, and the base is completely chromed out. And here's a nice look at it. And this would be good in drifting outside in the glass table with the snow all around. Thanks for tuning in and watching me unbox it. Just unboxed a 2021 Matchbox 1969 BMW 2002. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.